Hindi ganito, ganyan. No, meron dalawang klase ng human regrets. Una is short period of time regrets, no? Short period of time, regret taking action. Pag sinabing short period of time, no? Siguro kung nag-commute ako kanina, no? Siguro hindi ako na aksidente doon, ganyan-ganyan. So, short period of time, parang kanina or kahapon lang or last week lang. Kung hindi ako pumasok, siguro ganito ang nangyari. Kung pumasok pala ako, no? Doon pala, may namigay pala ng ayuda doon. Kung doon lang ako dumaan, di sana nakano. Now, that is short period of time regret taking actions. Now, meron tinatawag na long period of time regret inaction. Long period. Ano naman yung mga long period na yon? Dapat ginrab ko na yung opportunity na yun when I was 20 years old. Hindi sana ngayon. Hindi ako ganito. Dapat sinunod ko yung sinasabi ng magulang ko nung ako ay bata pa, no? Na inayos ko yung pag-aaral ko. Hindi sana ganito yung buhay ko. Dapat nung nabigyan ako ng chance pumunta sa ganitong bansa when I was young, no? Ganyang opportunity, sana hindi nangyari sa akin. So tawag yan long period of time regret in actions. Okay, now sa topic natin, yan. Ang topic natin is dalawa, no? And ang topic natin is from Matthew 25:14 to 30, di ba? Now, tawag dito. Okay, now. Itong mga regrets na to, ito yung bounded with our life here. Now, merong regrets naman, no, na we don't want these things to happen kapag dumating na yung blessed hope na sinasabi ko kanina. Kasi kapag dumating na yon, no, yung second coming, wala na talagang way. No? Wala na, no? Second coming. Now, I want to highlight to you this parable, no? Ito ay parang before our topic. Here comes a parable. Do you remember the parable of talents? Alala niyo yung parable of talents?
Yes.
Yung parable of bags of gold. Ang tawag ng iba sa ESV, parable of talents. Sa NIV version, parable of bags of gold, no? Dito naman sa Tagalog, ang parable ng tatlong tauhan, yung yung Pinoy version. Nakakita na kayo ng Pinoy version ng Bible?
Maganda.
Maganda yan, Pinoy version. Meron ako noon. Very siya. Ito nga title doon eh. Ang parable ng tatlong tauhan. Sabi ni Lord, ganun yung Bible na yun eh, no? So very approachable yun, no? Ganun.
Maganda yun.
Pinoy version ang tawag, Pinoy version. Okay, now, before that, no, Jesus talked about the kingdom of heaven started from chapter 24. No, destruction of temple and sign of end times, no. Sabi niya, truly I tell you, not one stone here will be left on another. Everyone will be thrown down. And then sa chapter 25 naman, no, yung chapter 25, yun naman yung kingdom of heaven is like 10 virgins. Naalala niyo yung kwentong yun? Okay. Yung parable of 10 virgins, merong 10 dalaga, no, na meron silang lamp, na meron silang lamp, no, tapos hinihintay nila yung groom, no. Now, hindi sila prepared, no. Ngayon, aandap-andap na, wala nang oil, kailangan nilang bumili sa labas. So lumabas sila, kaso nung nasa labas na sila, dumating na yung groom, sinarado na ang pintuan, pagbalik nila, wala na, hindi na sila pwedeng pagbuksan, no? So hindi sila prepared, no, sa pagdating na ng groom. It talks about when he will come. Okay? Now, dapat daw laging handa, no? Now,
Yes.
Ang next parable naman is ano naman yung gagawin natin while waiting? And anong gagawin natin while waiting? Yung parable of 10 talents, no? It talks about managing on what God has given to you. Yung parable ng 10 talents. Yung the story of 10 talents, nasa same series of chapter siya eh. Yung parable of the talents is merong tatlong tauhan, aalis yung master, binigyan yung unang tauhan ng